Today I'm back here in Ashwaubenon, Wisconsin at Backyard Brew. We were here just about a week ago, Christy and I, and we got 4,828 golf balls, 49 discs, and most of the discs, except for a couple, got returned back to the owners. We're gonna get back in there today, see what we get. So out of the 49 discs that we found last week, how many do you have left?
I have 8.
Wow. How happy were the people to get those back?
Super psyched, yeah. You know, and they probably threw them that day and possibly lost them again.
Yeah. So, well, that's good. I'll go back and get them again and we'll get them back to them.
Sounds good. I appreciate you coming up.
Anytime. Just finally got done sorting all these balls, counting them by fours, filling these totes up 200 at a time, and counting the pink, putting them aside. Let's check out what we got today. Like I said, these bins are 200 golf balls in each one. So we've got 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, almost 4,000. There's 141 balls in that one. And there's 43 pink golf balls right here, 7 discs. And actually, somebody made a comment that I was gonna find half a golf ball. And actually, here it is. I thought it was kind of silly, but so I actually found 3,984 and a half golf balls today. So that was an awesome dive for one person, but I was trying to beat a record for me and Christy last week. It was 4,828. Did not make that record. Did not beat 4,928. I found a lot less discs today. I found 8 discs. Actually already returned one back to the owner that's not here. But all in all, fantastic dive. I actually only stayed in about 7 feet of water from a wall back, and then about 30 feet back and forth. And I filled up my kayak almost 1.5 times just in that small area. Pretty crazy. And there's still a lot more in there. I was digging through mud, digging through rocks. I am just so sore right now. Back hurts, legs hurt, everything hurts. I'm gonna go home and just relax now, and I gotta load all this stuff in there. About another 30 hours of work just to scrub these golf balls, to categorize them, and you know, get them ready for sale. But I've got so many other ones still from last week that I'm working on. But it's a big job. It ain't easy. If you're ever thinking about doing this, just remember it's a lot of work, and it's not free to do this stuff. It takes a lot of time, sacrifice, equipment, and it's not for the weak of heart. Christy really enjoyed doing it with me last week, but yeah, she was sore too. Like I said, it ain't easy. I'll be giving these discs back to Brian here at Backyard Brew, and he's gonna try to get them back to the owners. He's still got 7 left out of the 41 from last week. Well, hopefully we can get these back to the owners too. And an awesome part of being a membership here at Backyard Brew is that we try to get your discs back right to you through Brian. Thanks to Brian for letting me come out again, and it's just so cool to clean up the waterways, get all the stuff out of the water. The water level actually went down about 4 inches from last week. I'm not sure if it's from all the golf balls we took out, but maybe it'll go down some more after I took these balls out today. You never know. For those of you who thought I was gonna find more balls by myself than with Christy and then brag about it on social media, shame on you.